Guys, if you don't want your video to go viral or you don't want to get more views, please stay away from these tools. These are the tools that I and your favorite YouTuber use to get more views. So guys, I'm going to be mentioning the tools that I use for my video from start to finish. So number one tool is Capcut. I know a lot of you already know Capcut, yes, but I'm going to tell you how I use my Capcut on my videos or my pictures for editing to get what you're seeing right now. So number one, I'm using picture, that's image, for my thumbnail. So I prefer using Capcut because Capcut has a lot of features for image editing. They have the saturation, they have the clarity, they have the brightness, they have the contrast. So your video is going to be catchy for people to see when they see your thumbnail. That is the essence of why I'm using Capcut. The second tool is Canvas. I love Canvas so much because it have the element of props. When I mean props, I'm talking about it has shape. You can, when you're looking for shape, it gives you variety of shape. When you're looking for a logo of a brand or anything, it gives you variety of that. It gives you, when you're looking for an element or an image of radio or something, it gives you a lot of element ideas on it. One thing I love about Canvas is that it has a lot of variety of colors. You know, we have a lot of primary and secondary colors, but there are so many colors that they are mixed. Like, the mixology is so great that you will just be perplexed about the effect of the colors that is going to enhance your thumbnail. I know one thing about thumbnail: if your thumbnail is not catchy, a lot of people will not be able to click through your videos. The number three tools is Pinterest. If you're not having Pinterest on your phone, please go download it. You know one thing about Pinterest, like if your background is boring, is not interesting enough, Pinterest have a lot of background that you can use to enhance your video, because you can use it for your thumbnail, you can even use it for your video editing when you need something catchy. If your background is not good enough, you need Pinterest to be able to enhance you. That's why you see most of these big YouTubers or small YouTubers, when you see their background, you're thinking that that is the main background, but it's a fake background with the help of Pinterest. So if you've not downloaded Pinterest, please go do that right now. The fourth one is VDQ. If you're sleeping on VDQ, you're in a long thing. You know one thing I love about these tools is that they give you score about your thumbnail, about your title, and they help you generate titles. They bring idea for you to life. So that is why I love VDQ, and that is why your big YouTubers are using, that they are getting views, because the VDQ will help them with catchy titles, give them thumbnail ideas, give them how they are going to talk about their intro and everything. So if you don't use VDQ, my dear, please start downloading it right now. No say I not tell you this one. No. Guys, before we continue, I want to show you a bag made by a Nigerian, made by a very promising, beautiful young lady, Queeness. Guys, how do you see this bag? So classy, so demure, so beautiful. Like, take a look at it. So guys, another tools I use is WhatsApp, Meta AI, and Chatgpt. You know why I love those tools? Because sometimes in your head you have a title, but you don't know how to elaborate on it. You don't know the what to say about it. Just ask Meta AI or Chatgpt. They give you, they download it with simplicity. They give you ideas on how to go on your next video. I love those tools so much because they help you simplify your ideas and make it come to reality. That is one thing I love about this app. Finally, the last tool, but there are so many tools you can use, but this is the one I use for my video editing and my pictures and every other thing, how I go about my videos. Rapid tags. Like if you are looking for tags, you're tired of thinking of tags to use, what to use to get more search engine optimization, use rapid tags. They help you with tags, simplify your tags, give you tags that people are using the most, and you will get views from it. So if you want a practical video of how I go about these tools, you want to know more about it in details, please put it in the comment section so that I will do a practical video concerning that. And guys, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel up to this moment, What are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notification when my video pops up. And if you subscribed already, you know I love